So in today's video, I will show you how to start an AI automation agency from scratch and scale it to 10K a month as pure profit. Before we dive in, I want to give you a quick disclaimer. If you are someone whose attention span has become shit by doom scrolling and can't even watch this single video, leave this video right now. This video is not for you because in the future you have to sacrifice all these things for building an AI automation agency. That's how winners operate and that's how you will win too. Now let's start the video. What is an AI automation agency? An AI automation agency is simply an agency which helps business owners to save time, save money, and also increase their efficiency by automating repetitive tasks using AI. These tasks can include replying to DMs, creating content, doing outreaches, and many more time consuming activities like this. You are solving problems, that's your value. Businesses will pay for it if you get it right. Choosing a niche. The first step in building your AI automation agency will be choosing a specific niche. Now, I know that this is a bit controversial. People say things like, don't pick a niche, it limits your growth. But here's the truth. At the beginning, you don't even know how complex things will get. Choosing a niche keeps things simple, gives you a clarity, and helps you to build a foundation. Once you gain experience, you can diversify into other niches. How to select a niche? Ask yourselves, what are your past experiences? What do I enjoy doing? What are my hobbies? For example, if you love going to gym, pick fitness niche. If you enjoy skincare, choose beauty niche. If you are teaching, go for education. But if you're still stuck and don't know what to pick, just go with the fitness niche because it's simple, relatable, and almost all of us have basic idea on how to work out and stay fit. Finding clients, the hardest and the most important step in running an agency. And let me give it to you straight. I won't lie to you like other YouTubers saying that you can get your first client within a week. No, it is simply isn't possible. If you are serious about building a real business, you have to accept this truth. Getting your first few clients is hard, but it's not impossible. If you stay consistent, send daily outreaches, and build a personal brand, you can land your first client within 30 to 45 days. There are not two or three ways to get clients. There is one single path. You do everything. You send cold outreaches, you post every single day. There are no shortcuts. Start with 100 cold outreaches per day. Yes, 100 cold outreaches. Now the question is where and which platform? It depends on what your niche is. If your niche is fitness trainers, Instagram is your battlefield. If you are targeting professionals, LinkedIn is where you can find the gold. And what message to send? Just keep it simple. Offer your services for free because in the beginning you have no testimonial and no case studies. Free builds trust, trust builds result, results build proof, and that proof builds you empire. Don't fall into the trap of charging thousands at day one. That comes later. Content creation. Now, the second weapon is content. Create at least one video per week. If you can, post two, but simply post something. Now, you might say, I don't know what to post. I am not an expert. You don't have to be an expert. You just have to be one step ahead from your leads. If your niche is fitness trainers, then create content like how to get more leads as fitness coach without paid ads, how to automate your DM replies and book 10 calls a week, how to scale your fitness business without hiring a team. This content does two things: attracts leads, builds your personal brand, and without that, selling everything becomes 10x harder. Sales skills. Lastly, learn sales. If you can't sell, your agency will die. But the good news is you don't have to buy courses. Just go to YouTube, watch Alex Hormozy, watch Tyson 40, learn the psychology, how people think, how they react, how they trust, and finally how they buy. Sale is number one skill that every entrepreneur must have. So now you are left with four actionable steps. 200 cold outreaches every single day. Post one time a week. Learn basic sale. Now, if you are someone who has decided Instagram as their platform to find their first client, go watch this video. In this video, I will tell you all in detail about how you can use Instagram and get your first client as soon as possible.